Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of configuring a proxy in the SessionBox extension for Google Chrome. SessionBox allows you to easily manage multiple accounts while using the Chrome browser. Let's get started. First, download and install the SessionBox extension from the Chrome Web Store. Then click on the Chrome extensions icon located in the upper right corner and select SessionBox. Choose the session in which you want to set up the proxy and click on the three dots. Select the Settings option. A new window will open. Go to the Other tab. By default, no proxy is set, but you can easily add one by clicking on Add New in the proxy field. In the new window that opens, give the proxy a name in the first field. Then select the appropriate protocol and input the IP and port for the proxy. If you are using a free proxy, no further steps are required. But if you are using a personal proxy, input your username and password in the designated fields. After all the information has been entered, don't forget to save your changes by clicking the Save button. The setup process is now complete. Repeat these steps for each session where you want to use a proxy. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on the network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on the network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.